All right, so step 4 to creating Google certificates is the template design, and I think it's the most fun. So you as a designer have a couple of options. You could certainly just open up that Google slide and use the Google themes to change or edit the background of the certificate. And remember, we're thinking about what's going to be printed in the back. So if you do use Google themes, once you can select the theme from the right-hand side of the screen, you will have the ability to even change the background on it. So if you do find a background design that works for you, and maybe it's not the school colors, you want to change the way that looks, you can certainly go to background and select the appropriate color that you prefer. You can even hit custom and add the exact color of your school mascot to the screen. Google is a great option to format that, but you also have a really great program out there, Canva, and we're going to look at how we can use Canva to actually create the background for our images, and it just comes out a little cleaner and crisper. I'm a little biased towards it, so obviously I'm going to spend a little more time showing you Canva than I did Google. Okay, so all you're going to do is open a new browser, go to canva.com, click login, and log in with Google. Once you are logged in, you're going to look to the left side of the screen and click Create a Design. And then we're going to scroll to find the Document section, and we are going to click Certificate. The greatest thing about Canva is there are a ton of design options. So go ahead on the left side of the screen and the Layout panel, search through the templates and click your preferred template. One thing to think about is if you're choosing something with a lot of color, you want to think about the toner at your campus. Of course, you can change the background on some of these, so just kind of keep that in mind as you're selecting it. All right, so we've got our template selected, and now it's displaying in our major pane over here. And so the first most important thing you're going to do is you're really just going to delete all the text boxes on the screen. Anything with text on it can be taken away. If you want to leave your campus name on here, you certainly can. We're going to actually add those things in later on the Google slide. So to delete a text box, you're simply going to click it, then to the top right, click delete, and if it's a group, then you'll just click delete group. Otherwise, it'll just disappear on its own. So now that all those text boxes are out of the way, you can start editing the color of this template. So if there are boxes or shapes on the page and you want them to be the color of your school mascot, your school colors, you're just going to click the shape, and then to the top left of the certificate, you're going to click the color box and select a preferred color. And you'll do this for all the shapes on the page. Of course, you do have the ability to actually enter in a specific color. So if you know the color code number or the hex, you will be able to hit that plus sign and enter the color code and then get exactly what you're looking for, or get the exact look you're looking for. If you did pick a design that has a colored background and you're thinking that, you know what, I just don't have enough toner to print hundreds of certificates with this, to the left side, you're going to click background and then choose from the following options. So you can also customize a color here, or you could just select white to simplify the color and the amount you'll need to print. You do have the ability to add images or logos. So if you wanted to add your mascot or logo to the back of the certificate, you certainly can. To the bottom left, you're going to click Uploads on that toolbar. And in the left pane, you're going to select Upload your own images, and then find that image on your desktop or drag it in however you see fit, and then you'll get that ability to add it to your certificate. Once it's uploaded, all you have to do is just drag the image from the left side pane right into the certificate, and then you can resize it and place the image exactly where you need it to be. So these are the basic steps on how to design the certificate. Of course, you can spend a little more time than I am on it. But once it's finished, you're going to make sure to click to the top right of the screen, click Download, leave it as PNG recommended, and click Download again. Once the file downloads to the bottom of the screen, you can drag the file to your desktop, or you could drag it to the Google folder so you have that image safe and secure and you know you won't lose track of it.